BJP legislature party will meet in presence of our central observer Sri JP Nadda and Sri Naib Singh Saini, Union Minister and Chief Minister of Haryana. Once the leader is selected, it will be ratified by the NDA legislature party, because we have two partners, Bodoland's People Front as well as Assam Gana Parishad. Once formality is over, then definitely the legislature party will select a delegation, and delegation will go and meet Governor of Assam and stake claim to form the governments. Once Governor extend invitation, the process of government formation will start immediately. On 12th of May at 11 a.m. in presence of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi and other guests, the new government will take oath.